Welcome to CMX Market Step by Step. Today we are going to talk about account verification. You're in your personal cabinet on the CMX Markets platform. On the left hand side, you may see the Traders menu, which includes Accounts tab, Funds tab, Profile tab. In this tab, you may find all the necessary information about your actions. We'll pay attention mostly to the profile verification, because without it, you won't be able to start trading. There are two ways of doing that. You may upload all the necessary documents in this tab, or from the home page of your personal cabinet. There you'll find the similar menu that prompts you to pass verification. So, the account verification process includes just 3 simple steps. Proof of ID. You will need to upload photos of your national ID card back and front sides, where all 4 corners will be visible, or a photo of your passport. Proof of address. You will need to upload the photo of any utility bill with your name and address on it, or a bank statement with your name and full address. Simple KYC, where you will answer a few questions about yourself and your experience. After our specialist will check and confirm all your documents uploaded, you'll be able to make a deposit and start trading. So, see you in the next video. If you enjoyed the video, please give a thumb up and click subscribe to us.